2.1 example 1 says you have the coins shown. We see them over here. And letter A says write the ratio of pennies to quarters. So we're going to go and see how many pennies we have. And I like to just go ahead and write on the top to make sure I don't miss anything. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I have 6 pennies. And then when it says 2, we can either write 2, or we'll do what we'll probably usually see over here, and that would be a colon. So I'll show you the 2 different ways to write this. 2 quarters. So now I need to see how many quarters there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it would either be 6 to 7 written this way, or 6, and this colon also means 2, 7. So either of these would be the correct way to write that ratio. Now it says write the ratio of quarters to dimes. Well, we already know the amount of quarters, and since it's asking for the ratio of quarters to dimes and not dimes to quarters, the quarters number is going to come first. So we need to make sure that we are following what it is asking us. So if it has quarters first, then the number of quarters is going to go first. So we already know we have 7 quarters. Now I'm going to write it with using a colon, and then 2 dimes. Well, I haven't counted the amount of dimes. I need to go ahead and do that. I have 1, 2, 3. So 7, 2, 3. Again, you could write it with 2 in the middle, but the colon is what you will typically see. Now this next one is a little bit different, so make sure you're paying attention. It says write the ratio of dimes to the total number of coins. So we already know how many dimes we have. If we go back and look, we had 1, 2, and 3. But then we need to write a ratio to the number of total coins. So that means every single coin, quarters, dimes, and pennies. So we could add up what we already know. I know that there are 6 pennies. I know that there are 7 quarters, and I know that there are 3 dimes, which then would be 16. But just to double check, I'm going to go ahead and count them off to make sure I have the right number. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, so the ratio of dimes to the total number of coins would be 3 to 16.